Grandma Carla over here. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Carla and this is my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. Now, I know you probably don't recognize the girl over here because I be having all these grays. But today I have decided to show you guys how I dye my gray hair, what products I use, how often I do it. And so y'all, please appreciate this because I am being so vulnerable showing you guys that I have to cover up my grays because it ain't cute, y'all. It ain't cute that over here, homegirl over here gotta dye these grays. But I'm gonna be sharing my secrets with you guys. So I hope you stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, I know my hair looks crazy right now, but when I dye my hair, I typically wait a couple of days after I've actually done a hairstyle and I'm ready to wash my hair. That's when I decide to go ahead and dye my hair. Now, you're probably looking at me like, Carla, I can't even see them gray hairs, or maybe y'all like have real like 20/10 vision and you're like, girl, I can see those white hairs from miles away. But I am not joking, y'all. Like, I literally have been struggling with premature graying since I was 21 years old and probably even younger. But as you guys can see here, this is my gray hair right now. It's about a good inch, I would say, and it kind of just so you see that? Pardon the little snowflakes, y'all. Be making it snow up in here. I know that's nasty. As you can tell, it is time to cover up my silver lights, as I so like to call them. Yeah, right? Lights of wisdom. Lights of wisdom. Can we say that? I guess. Okay, I'm saying it. My lights of wisdom. So I have been using a Magic Root Precision pen from L'Oreal Paris. It's a temporary gray concealer brush. That's what they call it. You just pop this off, you turn the dial, and wherever you have your gray hair, you begin to color it. And so this works great and it works well if you have like a small amount of gray that you're trying to cover. Now, at this point, my gray hair has been like, it's long overdue. It's time to be colored. Yeah, concealer for your roots, guys. Whoever thought we would be talking about concealer for your roots? I will typically try to wait about 2 to 3 weeks, and at that point, this is like pushing 3 weeks to where, you know, my hair is up, and as you can see, like my white hair is like peeking through. And so at that point, it ain't cute no more. But this is what I use. I use this box here from Garnier Nutrice, and it's specifically for graying hair. Now, this is in the color Soft Black. It is in the number 20, and it's also called Black Tea Soft Black, and it has this really pretty girl that is on the front cover. Like, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna look like her when I dye my hair. But basically, this is what I use. I bought this at H-E-B. It goes for about $9. And so $9 every 2 to 3 weeks definitely saves a penny in the bank when it comes to dyeing your hair. When I dye my hair, I will typically only dye this area here on my head. I do have gray hairs that are back here, but honestly, like, nobody is going to look at down there. You know what I'm saying? And I also like to use a toothbrush. I know that sounds really weird, but I really like using a toothbrush to get into all the, like, just to be able to like comb through the product, the dye into my hair and make sure that it gets all the little hairs in there, because I found that doing this really helps. I always prefer to use my own gloves. And so that's the other thing I would say. Oh, and the other thing, it only comes with one pair of gloves. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mix the product. So I'm going to go ahead and take out of the little box the different products that are in here, the little ingredients. There's instructions, like every box is different. Now, if you've ever dyed your hair, you know every box is different. The instructions are here, but y'all, I have been dyeing my hair for so long, I already know what to do. Basically, what you do is I'm gonna mix B into A. Squeeze all of B in there. Squeeze all that oil in there. So once you shake it, you're gonna let all the chemicals in there just mix real well. And then this is where I will go ahead and take my hair out of my bun here. And it's also important for you to have like a brush like this so that you can kind of begin to part your hair. So typically I like to start in the middle And I will go down as far down the middle as I can see. Ah! Whew, this be scary, y'all. I can't believe I'm letting y'all see this. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Ah! So with my little toothbrush and with this in hand, I'm going to begin to apply this product in. And so I just pretty much do this. Remember, I have about an inch of white hair, and so I kind of just with the brush do this and make sure I get into each little white hair, as much white hair as I can there. Now this tends to be the most stubborn area here, and that's why I will typically start here. Now, y'all, I did not go to school to be a cosmetologist. So if I'm doing this all kinds of wrong, this is what I've been doing my whole life. And if you want to help a sister, leave a comment below. Give me some other tips. So once that section is done, I will literally just part it again, and I won't go very far. I won't part very far from there. Kind of just go like this and then do it all over again. The things we do for beauty. The other thing I wanted to remind y'all is don't wear a shirt that's a nice shirt. Wear a shirt like you do not mind getting hair dye on, okay? The other thing, don't wear a super tight shirt either, because you're gonna have to take off your shirt, you know, to wash your hair, if you're gonna jump in the shower or whatever. And you don't want to get dirty. You don't want to have to squeeze your head out through a tiny hole. You already did that when you was born. Now I have these like super stubborn ones that are right here. Like, why you gotta be there? Why you gotta grow there? Sometimes you just gotta talk to your gray hairs like that, y'all. Okay, so I've done this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat it on this side. Y'all be looking crazy right now, I know, but I have finished coloring my hair from one side to the other. And like I told you guys, I really just focus on this area here. As you guys can see, it is processing. Now for my grays, I typically leave I leave the color in for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and then I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. So I'll take this little clip and just kind of twist all of my hair up. Now I won't twist it on the top because I do have all the color up on the top, but I will, and it'll get on my other hair that I don't want it to color. But I will do this. I'll clip it in and kind of just keep my hair all like this. Y'all, I can't believe I'm showing you guys this. I look horrible. All right, y'all, I feel like a brand new woman now that I don't have my grandma grays. As you guys can see, I've already washed the hair dye out. I've done my hair, styled it, and I love it. I mean, look, you guys, like, literally no grays. Grays are gone, and I am so happy. Like, as you guys can see, no grays anywhere to be found. Thank you for watching my tips and tricks on how I dye my hair, cover up them crazy wisdom lights, okay? And so if you enjoyed this video, I do have some other videos here on the side that you need to click on. Yes, click on right now so that you can go and watch them. I know if you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to enjoy some of my other videos. All right, guys, I do post new videos for you guys every Thursday, so don't forget to keep coming back. And as always, see you guys next time.